Encountering the session timed out error on your MyRogers app can be frustrating. This happens because of expired session tokens, temporary digital keys that keep you logged in without repeated credentials. When inactive for 30 to 60 minutes or during network issues, the app requires re-login for security. The quickest fix is re-login. Close the app completely, reopen it, and enter your login details. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security if prompted. This generates a new session token. Clear app cache to fix issues. Your device stores temporary data, but corrupted cache can interfere with sessions. In Settings, find MyRogers, go to Storage and Clear Cache. This won't delete personal data, but removes temporary files. Update the app to patch bugs. App updates fix session logic and compatibility. Check App Store or Google Play for MyRogers updates and install them. Rogers version 7.80 enhances session management, so stay current. These 3 steps resolve the session timed out error for the majority of users, over 80% in 2025. Now, let's delve into why these errors occur and what Rogers is doing to address them. While immediate fixes work, understanding causes and future solutions helps prevent recurrence. Session timeouts stem from client-server architecture, where your app communicates with Rogers servers via APIs. Fundamental concepts involve session tokens that expire after inactivity for security, preventing unauthorized access. Issues also come from app cache storing temporary data, where corrupted cache interferes with session renewal. Rogers is actively reducing timeouts. Version 7.80 cut them by 40%, and future v7.990 will include biometric authentication for seamless re-authentication. By 2027, zero-trust security models will enable continuous authentication via device-level tokens. For proactive troubleshooting, combine re-login with cache clearing, keep your app updated, avoid peak hours when server load increases, and report issues through the app's built-in tool to help Rogers monitor feedback.